everyone have a liver problem, early stage or last stage, especially who have a liver cirrhosis, fatty liver, lump and tumor in the liver. For you have to do that. Hello everyone, this is Dr. Haque from Center of Integrative Medicine. A lot of you struggling with the liver issue, especially low energy, high sugar, a lot of people hormone imbalance, gallbladder pain. Because liver has the issue, gallbladder having pain. So a lot of people are struggling with the stress control and then sleep issue and a lot of anxiety, stress, schizophrenia and then OCD. Not only that, liver have thousands of functions. All of you know that. So I have a lot of videos how to improve liver, how to bring your liver into the functioning. But today I want to show you an amazing way to unclog your liver, to get liver into functioning again. And a lot of you also diagnosed with the lumps and bumps and tumor in the liver or gallbladder, or even inflammatory gallbladder, even pain in the right side. In the right side, a lot of pain. So those who have this kind of issue, for you guys, I have a quick suggestion you can do. You're gonna get amazing results, So you need castor oil, but that has to be 100% castor oil, organic. Put 2 to 3 spoons of castor oil on a liver pack. You see, on the top of the pack, and put the pack on your liver, and make sure the oil touches exactly the liver point. Liver is like 3 to 5 pounds of your largest organ in your body. So this organ, you can put castor oil for whole night, because it has such an amazing power castor oil has. It penetrates the skin and go into the liver and clean the toxins and fat cells and all kind of unwanted things in the liver, so that your liver get back into the functioning. So again, this castor oil pack or liver pack you can buy from Amazon, 20-30 bucks. You can even get it $10, or you can make your own. Get a fabrics, and you see, inside one has to be fabrics, outside one has to be nylon, so that are kind of plastic type, so that oil doesn't come out of your pack. So you put the oil in here, 2 to 3 teaspoons, and then put on your body, right side where the liver is, and when you put the inside, and then cover it up, cover it up so that you don't wet your shirt, and you tie around to your body, like you tie around your body like this, so whole liver get soak this castor oil throughout the whole night, and in the morning you can wash it off and enjoy your day. You will see amazing results. You have a great sleep, you have a mood improvement and happiness in the morning. You feel rested, you feel no more anxiety and stress, you don't feel any more pain. If you keep doing it for a month, you're gonna be improving a lot of chronic diseases, especially those of you who are suffering this kind of problem. I said that energy, mood swing, and that pain in the gallbladder, and hormone issue, and not sleeping well. This is the amazing castor oil pack you can use on your liver. Initially you do every day. After 1 month you can do once in a week, or twice in a week, or 3 times in a week, or every other day. Just maintain. Who can do that? Everyone can do that. Everyone have a liver problem, early stage or last stage, especially who have a liver cirrhosis, fatty liver, lump and tumor in the liver. For you have to do that, okay? And watch other liver support videos. Hopefully you get healthy liver, perfect liver, and that will help you to make a healthy body, perfect man, okay? Take care of yourself, and I have a lot of videos in the YouTube and Facebook. Share with others, apply on your life, and enjoy your life, okay? Thank you so much, and stay well. Thank you.